Ferries are 29,338 gross tonnes, and they travel at
Burnie,
27
Tasmania,
knots or 50
Australia.
kilometres per hour.
And now we're in the farmland.
They have about 748 berths, carrying hundreds of passengers and commercial vehicles daily.
Take a look.
During the summer season, they have certain day trips. It's not every day.
Checking the ferry to the mainland. Let's see. Oh. Pretty flowers. What else is being grown here, please?
I'll tell you that in a moment.
Okay.
Quite a lot.
It looks wonderful, very fertile.
We're very fortunate. Normally this time of the year it's quite dry, but we've had a lot of rain on and off. It's another potato crop to the right.
More
So
potatoes
it's
here.
quite green still. You'll see a lot of dams. It's how the farmers get their water supply for their crops and for their cattle and sheep.
Okay, gorgeous.
And looking over to the right there, you'll see a lot of people in the area there. They're picking, and it's quite possibly broccolini.
Oh, they're picking broccolini, which is the skinny broccoli, but it's like on the sour side. Tastes sour. It's a special.
Looking out to the left, you'll see a range of hills. That is known as Dial Range. It runs from Penguin right through to Guns Plains, where we're going today.
Pretty.
Very popular for walking, bush walking, bike riding, horse riding.
Yeah, we see quite a number of bicycle riders here as well.
So a bit about our cattle. Our beef cattle mostly belong to British breeds, such as Angus and Hereford. There are some varieties that are European. Beef production here involves organic, sustainable and stress-free practices, free from antibiotics, free from hormone growth promotants, and free from genetically modified organisms,
All organic
all of
farming,
which are forbidden
and the
in
cattle
Tasmanian
breeding.
beef farming. The main breeds here are Murray Grey, Aberdeen Angus, Charolais and Limousin are both French breeds. And there's the English Shorthorn.
Oh,
We have
there
a
we go.
Scottish breed known as the Highland Belted Galloway. On the dairy side, there's Holstein, Jersey, Aussie Red, Illawarra, Brown Swiss, Guernsey and Ayrshire.
Look at this.
Our
beautiful.
northwest is known for the production of high-yield protein cereal crops like barley and wheat. They are planted annually in winter and harvested in summer. In the past few years, other seed crops such as linseed, buckwheat and hemp have also been introduced into the crop rotation on farms. You'll see plenty of rolling hills and lush pastures.
Yeah, really.
It's all over Tasmania. Plus we have deep,
Beautiful.
fertile soil and reliable rainfall. So that all gives us nutritious grazing for the cattle and great soil to grow our produce.
So come with us, see then north. Let me take you all.
Cattle here are very happy. They live outdoors all year round.
Australia, US, and the land. To see everything. Oh, beautiful.
Tasmanian dairy farms are now